28 South Farragut Street. There's the kitchen. There's a little deck in a little backyard. There is a small half bathroom on the side. There is a door to the basement, but there is nothing there. Just a storage. And now we're gonna go up the stairs. And here's the first bedroom, very large. Great size. There's a closet. And this is the second, which is quite small. Can be used as an office or a child room. And here's the bathroom. Here's a closet. And this is third bedroom, the biggest one. Beautiful windows. And we're looking at train station, which is 46 in Market, which is right there, half a block away. And this is the bedroom. Thank you.